Hello all, this is Srilekha from Informatica GCS and today we'll learn how to extract task entries in Excel format using Informatica MDM version 10.5 HF2. In this video, we'll cover an overview of task extraction, steps to follow, use of filters to refine results, limitations of feature, and finally a demo. First, let's explore the purpose of this feature. It allows user to extract workflow tasks from Task Manager. By modifying the configuration file, that is cmxserver.properties, we can address number of tasks to be exported. Default limit is 1000 and maximum of 10,000 tasks. The tasks are downloaded in CSV format, including all the columns and headers. Now, let's move on to the steps to extract task entries. Log in to E360 interface and navigate to Task Manager section. Upon clicking Export as Excel icon, we can download the task entries in CSV file. The file is named based on the section which we choose in the Task Manager. To enhance the usability, this feature includes filtering capabilities. You can filter columns, sort them, even apply sub-filters to refine specific entries for columns based on the data. While this feature is highly useful as of now, there are some limitations. It doesn't support filters for task type names but works with user assigned labels. Also, localization is not supported for this feature. Let's quickly dive into the demo part. This is the E360 UI. Upon navigating to Task Manager, you will get all the task entries. Once you click on Export as Excel icon, the task entries will be downloaded. We can apply sorting and filtering to get the necessary task entries. I am sorting the task entries based on the task title and applying a filter option for the field, task title, once you click on apply, the necessary task entry will be filtered out and you can download the same. We can disable the filter when it is not needed. Also, I am exporting every task entries in this particular section. So, this is how the task entries will be downloaded in a CSV file format. Before using this feature, you can check out these links to get better understanding on the Task Manager and exporting task functionality. Feel free to reach out to us at supportvideos@informatica.com and connect with us on Twitter. Thank you for your time.